Hello everyone, my name is Marius. I'm a mechatronic and robotics student, which means I know a bit of programming, some electronics, and some mechanics. I also know how to use CAD software and some general knowledge about a lot of things. So, welcome to my super high tech lab, also known as my desk. Right now, I only have an Arduino, some chip sensors, a breadboard, and that's it. I'm broke. This channel will start with some simple tutorials using my chip sensors, an Arduino or an ESP. But with your support, I think we can go bigger and start some interesting projects, such smart coffee table with a Formula One track for tiny cars and a lot of things that maybe I will find interesting down the road. If you enjoy DIY electronics, robots, or just want to watch a broke engineer trying to make some cool things, subscribe, it's free, and I hope to see you here.